Creating custom page sizes for any roll size and any image you drop in is simple. Start by going to File, Export, and select the Image Prograph plugin that corresponds with your printer. In the Page Setup tab, select Size Options. In the pop-up window, under Custom Paper Size Name, we'll name our rolls that we commonly use. For example, 10-inch roll. In the paper size selection below, input your roll size, taking note that the first number is always the width of your roll, and the second number is the length of the layout you want to use. After you've entered your numbers, click Add, and you'll notice that the new entry has been added to the paper size list on the left. Without closing the window, you can input your other roll sizes, making sure to click Add when you've entered all the information. Back on the Page Setup tab, you'll notice that your new paper sizes now appear at the bottom of the list in the Paper Size drop-down box. To demonstrate how you'll now work with your new sizes, let's select the 17-inch roll. You'll notice the extra white space at the top and bottom of your image. You can move your image to the top by clicking the Layout drop-down tab and selecting upper left of Output Paper Size. Next, click the Roll Paper Options button and check the box that says No Spaces Top or Bottom. By using this button, you'll ensure that your printer only uses enough paper to print the image, and no more. If you need extra margins around your image, you can build that into your image through Photoshop. Quit the plugin, and in Photoshop, go to Image, Canvas Size, and add in any additional white space you need around your image to print. Now you'll never have to make another page size. Just choose from the roll sizes that you made earlier. If you have any more questions on how to use your Canon IPF plugin, refer to the additional tutorials at lexia.com or contact your sales representative.